Hi, and welcome to another tutorial on the EA Global AI platform. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the latest releases, Agents. Agents is a way for you to access your EA knowledge base and beyond where you work, whether that's via email, Slack, something like that. When you log into the platform as an admin, there will be a button in the bottom left-hand corner above Settings titled Agents. When you click on this, you'll be taken to a configuration screen. You'll be able to name your agent and provide custom instructions. Perhaps you want to search beyond your knowledge base before you come back to it, or vice versa. The agent will always adhere to these when responding to any of your requests. The next tab we have is Triggers. Currently, as you can see, we have a Slack trigger and an email trigger installed. Teams will be coming soon, but for now, this is how we can talk to the agent where we work. Plugins. These are custom MCP connections or skills that you might create that allow you to look beyond the knowledge base without having to integrate that with the EA knowledge base itself. For example, if I was to install the HubSpot connection, I would be able to ask the agent to read any of my CRM contacts, companies, deals, tickets, activities, and pipeline in order to provide detailed responses. When a custom connection is installed, all of the permissions that a person has within the EA Global platform are provided to that. You can customize anyone that has access to this once you have installed it by using the Show Members and clicking on anyone that may or may not need access here. So for example, that person didn't have access and they didn't have the correct permissions, so I can't add them. But I can remove, for example, this person. I'll add them back. So we have plugins and we have triggers. Let's show you them in action. So first, let's use Slack. I'm in Slack, and as you can see at the bottom, I have typed @agent, outline our approach to GHG reporting in less than 20 words. Once I press enter, what will happen is an eyes emoji will come up as the agent starts to run. This question is essentially being sent to Scratchpad, but it's making sure that the answer comes back to you where you work. Once the agent has responded, as we see here, a reply, it will provide you with a tick mark, but in the reply, it will also show you where the answer has come from. And it's easy as that. So that's Slack. Now, let's go to email. I've been provided with an email here from myself that asks 3 questions. I've then forwarded this to the email address that you will see in your triggers at the bottom here. I've forwarded this and it has responded 3 minutes later with a detailed answer for all of the questions. This also works if you are sent a form. For example, if someone's to attach a form to an email and ask you to fill it in, you can simply send this to the agent, it will start an autofill task, and it will send that straight back to you in the original format when it's complete. If you have any questions about how to use agents, please use the Get Help button in the bottom left-hand corner, and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you very much.